MDriven with Visual Studio Code. Let's start by downloading the code editor. We install that. Now we download the Turnkey Web application. That's just a zip file, and we extract the application to a place on our local hard drive. Let's start the code editor and open Turnkey, the application we just downloaded. Open folder. The first time we use the code editor, we want to install the IIS Express. And also the Chrome debugger. Now let's start MDriven Designer. Gonna save this file close to the web application. Gonna configure the back end so that the IIS Express know where to find the file. To actually get the correct URL, I start code. Now I have it. Now I can start the system. Now this system is running. And I'm MDriven. Thank you.